Carfax and custom wheels and tires, premium smooth ride suspension package, Avalanche 1500 LT, 4D crew cab, Vortec 5.3-liter 8-cylinder SFI flex fuel, 6-speed automatic, rear-wheel drive, Greystone metallic, ebony with custom leather appointed seat trim, AM/FM stereo with MP3 per candela player, integrated rear audio system controls, leather steering wheel, power tilt sliding sunroof with express open, and XM radio. When was the last time you smiled as you turned the ignition key? Feel it again with this great 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. J.D. Power and Associates gave the 2009 Avalanche 1500 4 out of 5 power circles for overall performance and design. This fantastic Chevrolet is one of the most sought-after used vehicles on the market because it never lets owners down. New car test drive said it isn't always has been one of a kind. It successfully combines the hauling capacity of a long bed pickup with the comfort of a 5-passenger sport utility vehicle. All of our vehicles are researched and priced regularly using live market pricing technology to ensure that you always receive the best overall market value. Call dealer to confirm availability and schedule a hassle-free test drive. Visit Randall Noe's Pre-Owned Supercenter at 105 Highway 205 in Terrell, Texas, or contact us directly on this website. Thank you for visiting our listing and we look forward to hearing from you.